can't gatekeep nothing because dancehall washing up and pushing it to the side. You understand? The same advice where you did give to Kartel. Kartel never did need it, but you need it right now. Stay the fuck away from the internet. And come down. Because nobody over here, so. Not afraid that you look a bitch ass mouth where you have. You sound like a little blood clot pitney. But feel like you always have to be a winner. Even when you lose, you still try to explain out yourself. Man, puff your chest. Oh, they did not puff my chest. They did not do this. They did not bullshit. Lick a youth at the video like a bitch in a dancehall. That's where it come down. Tony Matterhorn. I want to see, when you reach a Barclays Center, and you see alkaline in a Barclays Center, I want to see if you are going to play one addy. Me still want to see, yeah? I want to see if I'm going to play one addy. Yeah?